In my previous two videos, I solved this system of linear equation by substitution and elimination method. Now let's solve them by graphical method with the help of graph. So my first equation is 3x minus 4y equals 10. If I want to find the values of x and y to plot on the graph, I would make the table of values which looks like this. So x and y. Now, if I put x as 0, over here, so I will get 3 times 0 minus 4y equals 10. This becomes 0, so y becomes negative 10 over 4, and which will give me y as minus 2.5. So for x0, y comes out to be minus 2.5. Now I need one more value because 2 points are enough to draw a line on the graph paper. Now if I take x as 2, so 3 times 2 minus 4y equals 10. It gives me minus 4y equals 3 times 2 is 6. 10 minus 6 is 4. So y comes out to be minus 1. So for x2, my y is minus 1. So we are done with the first equation. Second one. Draw the table of values for this equation as well in the similar manner, x and y. If you put x as 2, 2 plus 3y equals minus 1. So 3y is equal to minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. So y comes out to be minus 1. So this is minus 1. And if I put y as 0, this one is easy. So x plus 0 equals minus 1. So x is minus 1. So y0 gives me x as minus 1. Now, let's draw the graph for this table of values. So, these are my table of values and this is my x-axis. This is my y-axis. The values are already like drawn on the axis. So let's put these points. So when x is 0, y is minus 2.5. x 0. So y is minus 2.5. So this is my first point. When x is 2, y is minus 1. Where is x2? Over here. And where is y minus 1? Over here. So this is y minus 1. This is x2. So this is my second point. Now, if I join them with the scale or with the ruler, my graph would come out to be like this for my first equation. So this is my first equation. Now, for the second one, x is 2, y is minus 1. So x2, y minus 1, this is the same point for this one. And x minus 1 and y is 0. So x is minus 1 here and y is 0 over here. So let's join these 2 points with the ruler and my graph would come out to be like this. So this is the graph of my second equation. Now if you look closely, the two lines are intersecting at what point? 2 minus 1. So 2 comma minus 1 is the solution for this system of equations. That's all.